So to sum everything up, we have the metals, non-metals, and the metalloids. So we have group number one, except for hydrogen. Hydrogen is a non-metal. So these elements are called alkali. They are extremely reactive. Group number two, alkaline earth, which are less reactive than the alkali. So we are moving to the right. So between group number 3 and 12, so from group number 3 up to group number 12, these metals are called transition metals. Okay, so they are less reactive than both alkaline earth and alkali. Okay, now for the non-metals, we have group number 18 and group number 17. So group number 18 are called noble gases, and these gases are also stable. Okay, and stable means they don't react naturally. Okay, now for group number 17, these elements are called halogens. Now halogens also are, so let me put it here. So group number 17 are the most reactive non-metals. Okay, and the reason, because they gain only one electron. So let me explain. So it's easier for them to acquire only one electron. It's easier to acquire one electron than to acquire 2 or 3 electrons. So elements belonging to group number 17 are the most reactive non-metallic elements. So some properties of metalloids. Again, so they share properties between metals and non-metals, and they are very useful in industry such as cell phones and all sorts of electronic devices.